Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick one. Are you a beginner in skincare? In this video today, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys skincare products I'll recommend beginners to use on their face, especially if you're planning on having a skincare routine and you don't know where to start from. So these products are what I'll recommend you guys to use. My name is Pashi Gold, and on this channel I share info about UK, life in the UK, skincare, beauty, motherhood, and many more. Without saying so much, let's dive straight into today's video. First on my list is get a cleanser, your favorite cleanser, the one you know you will like. Currently I use ordinary cleanser, and I also use a COSRX cleanser. I'll be putting it on the screen for you to see. So just use your favorite cleanser, and after using your cleanser, next thing you should go with is to wipe your face dry and apply your favorite toner. I use COSRX toner, but right now I'm out of it. I now use Dr. Belmo toner, and this is a milky toner, and I also use this Glycolic toner. So as a beginner, get your favorite toner. I recommend you to get this toner only if you are having hyperpigmentation, and this toner is not an everyday toner. Is a toner you'll be using 2 to 3 times a week, depending on how sensitive your skin is. So number one is get your cleanser, your facial cleanser, soap, bar, liquid, and get a toner. You can use any toner, but I use Dr. Belmo Silka toner. So these are my two toners. This one is not an everyday toner, and this one is an everyday toner. After getting a toner to tone your face, let me demonstrate how I do it to you. So what I do is just to use this one to clean it, and you can see the motion in which I'm not doing like this. No, I'm just cleaning like this. And now that I'm done, the next product I recommend you to use is a vitamin C serum. So I use this real serum from Korea, and I also have another recommendation for you guys. You can use this minimalist. This is my third product. So I will be using this vitamin C serum, and what I do is to just drop few drop on my face. Yeah. And next thing is to I'm done with that. The next product I go with is my COSRX snail mucin. This product helps with hyperpigmentation. It also helps with fighting wrinkles. You can see how my face is already glowing. You can see my skin is already glowing. I didn't use plenty product. I didn't use hyaluronic. I didn't use niacinamide. You can see my skin, it's already glowing. The reason why I'm using glove is because I just did a skincare routine on my hand. Because of how hot UK water is, I'm having a broken skin on my fingers, so I just treated my fingers, and I'm wearing gloves so that my skin can absorb the moisture from the skincare product. So that is why I am using this. The next product I will be going with is the moisturizer, and I have been using plenty skin moisturizers. And guys, I'm going to tell you guys that most of those moisturizers have not really moisturized my skin, but right now I've gotten the best moisturizer ever, which is the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factor. And this is the product I'm using. And guys, you can see my face. You see, I didn't use plenty skincare product and my face is glowing. You can see how moisturized and well fed my face is. I actually have other products I use on my skin, but guys, I'm just telling you guys the main thing to use on your skin as a beginner. So guys, these are my product recommendation for you that is starting your skincare journey. Your favorite cleanser, then a toner. Get your favorite toner. I use this toner, but this is not an everyday toner. I use it for hyperpigmentation 2-3 times a week. For my underarm, you can see how clear my underarm is. For my knuckles, because of how hard the water here in the UK is, so I'm just still treating them, and that is why I have been wearing gloves to do all my house chores. Vitamin C serum, and this can be any product of your choice, but for me, I am using a minimalist vitamin C serum, or this real serum that I got from South Korea. And the next thing on my list is advanced snail mucin serum. This snail mucin serum is powerful. Like, with this product alone, your skin is gonna get moisturized and you don't even need to apply much product. The final product I recommend is this ordinary moisturizing factor. Guy, you see the ordinary skincare products, oh my god, those products are amazing. The only one I would not recommend you to use is their vitamin C suspension. I think maybe it's because of how sensitive my skin is. The very first day I used this one, I stopped using it that very day. So guys, I hope you've been able to learn 1 or 2 things from this video today, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. You can do so by hitting on the bell notification you're seeing on your screen, and subscribe, like, comment and share. The more you like this video, the more YouTube will recommend my channel to others. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.